engaging. I did not expect for the elderly to be so engaged with the B-bots. Every single one of them was keen to learn, and even the ones who were struggling, they were open in asking and trying their best to do so. And I felt that it was very inspiring.
So in the game How, we combine both physical and digital element to help seniors go from 0 to 1. Because some of them, when they first start off, they are a bit uncomfortable with technology. So with a physical element, they build confidence. And we believe that learning technology is not just to make lives better, but to connect better with your loved ones. And that's really heartening.
Our goal here today at our booth is really to help parents in the 3I approach when it comes to digital use. And that is to be informed, to be involved, as well as to be intentional. I believe setting boundaries is important because it creates trust as well as healthy habits and communication around digital usage. And I believe this is important because a boundary that is collaborative will really bring the family together.
Today at our booth, we provided a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the SingPass and Health Hub apps, which our aim is to help the participants to use these digital apps with ease and confidence in their daily life. I think it's quite inspiring to be able to witness our very own senior volunteers who have joined our DFL workshops to attend this event and to be able to pass on this knowledge and skill to the participants.
I want to be a volunteer because I like to be of full use to others.
I decided to contribute back to the society because the center did a marvelous job in taking care of all the seniors.
I'm very grateful to be the volunteer with the Yayasan Mendaki Women at Work to spread the awareness on digital scam that's currently evolving and rising. With the title, Be Scam Free, Then Sorry, we are also encouraging women to come back to the workforce, whereby we can also be with the community to spread such awareness.
I think Digital for Life means that we can use technology to enrich our lives meaningfully as well as responsibly through the different stages of life.
Digital for Life is basically a platform for us to give back to the community, and also it's a place where we can come in and increase the digital literacy rate through the technologies that we will give them and ensure that they are able to learn from them as well.
I think Digital for Life, it's about gaining knowledge and skill on the benefits of today's technology safely and confidently, regardless of their age or background.
Digital
For life!